The Alienware x17 R2 gaming laptop comes in all sorts of configurations, ranging from a build with a display that has a mundane 1440p 165Hz refresh rate all the way up to a 1080p screen with a refresh rate of, are you ready for this, 480Hz. That's just absurd. But for the last few weeks, I've been using that exact build, and while I'm confident in the fact that I never fully utilize the display, it's been a lot of fun nonetheless. Here are the specifications of the Alienware x17 R2 I've been testing. Model, Alienware x17 R2, P480, display, 17.3-inch FHD 480Hz 1920x1080 processor, Intel Core i7-12700H 3.5 GHz 24M cache, 4.7 GHz max turbo graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 laptop GPU, 16 GB GDDR6 memory, 32 GB DDR5 4800 MHz OS, Windows 11 home storage, 1 TB PCIe NVMe M2 SSD webcam, 720p with Windows Hello IR support ports, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports with PowerShare, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with DisplayPort and power delivery, 1x Thunderbolt 4 port with power delivery, 1x3.5mm audio jack, 1x HDMI 2.1 port, 1x mini DisplayPort 1.4, 1x RJ45 Ethernet port, 1x microSD card slot connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E800 and 2.11x, Bluetooth 5.2 dimensions, 15.72 by 11.79 by 0.82 inches WXDXH weight, 6.65 pounds price, $3,699 as configured. The test sample I received is one of the higher-end builds available, but you can kit out an x17 R2 to your liking ranging from 16 GB of memory all the way up to 64 GB. Or SSD storage that starts at 512 GB and maxes out at a whopping 4 TB, with a GPU ranging from a 3060 to a 3080T.